Fairy Tale Problem-Solving STEM Kit, Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there lived a little old woman who loved to bake. One day, she baked a gingerbread man, giving him gumdrop eyes and a mouth and hair made out of icing. When she pulled him out of the oven, the gingerbread man stood up, jumped off the pan, and said, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Then the gingerbread man ran out of the door and past the little old woman's husband, shouting, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Soon the gingerbread man came to a river where he met a fox. He said to the fox, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." "Run all you like," said the fox. "I'm not going to chase you, but tell me, how will you cross the river without getting all wet and soggy?" "I have an idea," continued the fox. "I'll swim across and carry you on my back." The gingerbread man thought, "This tricky fox wants to eat me. I know it. Oh, what shall I do?" Here is the challenge. Can you design a way for the gingerbread man to safely cross the river? Your challenge today is, can you design a way for the gingerbread man to safely cross the river? Fairy Tale Problem-Solving STEM Kit, Gingerbread Man. Plan. Here you will design your plan by drawing it in this space. Then you will build with the supplies you've been given according to the plan that you've designed. Then you will test out your plan. Did it work? Yes or no? Can you safely get the gingerbread man across the river? Best of luck on helping the gingerbread man.